Work from Anywhere portal, a gateway for virtual office from anywhere. Ms. Sangeeta Kapoor in her office setting her agenda for the day. Ms. Sangeeta Kapoor connecting with PA Raman for fixing meetings. Work from Anywhere portal of NIC connects the officials to securely access their office from anywhere by using highly secured web VPN technology. Coupled with two-factor authentication with Parichay single sign-on service of NIC, it is a one-stop portal for office functions comprising of productivity applications like calendar for meeting management, email, e-office services, utility and collaboration tools for managing tasks, to-do list, notes and communication. Portal allows for team persons to seamlessly collaborate and communicate, to know the events and happenings in the organization. Portal is a gateway to departmental applications through single sign-on and API-based alerts that prompt you to access the main application if needed. Raman is setting agenda for the meeting. Portal lets officials to attend their meetings seamlessly without searching for the meeting links. The portal allows team members to smoothly collaborate and communicate with each other by means of audio or video or text channels. Meanwhile, Raman checks his mails. It is now 10:30. All the participants get a meeting reminder through the portal. The portal helps officials to attend their meetings with ease. One can easily track the meetings and the attached documents like agenda, MOM, etc. The portal lets an official to take a break. Ms. Sangeeta Kapoor now gets down to routine work. The portal facilitates working on electronic files seamlessly and assign tasks to team members and follow-up. In between assignments, officials can stay connected and informed about organization's events and news. The portal is a gateway to departmental applications through single sign-on and API-based alerts for prompts. At the end of the day, Ms. Sangeeta Kapoor checks for any pending activity. Work from Anywhere portal is the virtual office where one can work from anywhere.